Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing interviews for K-1s at the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok. We are starting to see interviews being rescheduled. Now, I want to preface this by saying I have yet to see, at least in 2021, K-1 interviews being held yet. And we're still dealing with this current, for lack of a better term, second wave associated with this COVID-19. So, I'll keep doing videos on this. In short, it remains to be seen if an interview is actually going to be held. That stated, depending on the posture of one's case, the case may actually be eligible to get an interview date. Now, again, it's going to depend heavily on the circumstances of one's case. So those who've been waiting a while to get an interview here in Thailand, depending on where your case is at in the process, may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, get some insight and guidance into how best to proceed. But long story short, we are starting to see interview dates, not only for K-1s, but for other categories, but that's not really the thrust of this video. Something else to think about is Department of State has come out with the announcement, which is emanating from the CDC, that folks who are looking to go to go to the United States after January 26th are going to need COVID testing 72 hours prior to getting on the plane. Now, this may not pertain directly to your visa interview, but it will likely pertain to travel to the U.S. So that is something to keep in mind with respect to eventual travel to the United States should a visa be approved post-interview at the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok, Thailand.